Hey, mother! That bloody fellow has eloped with Mahada.
What the hell, brother?
I don't know. I don't know what you will do about this. Before he crosses our border, he must be beheaded.
I'll make sure of it, brother. Don't worry. Go start the car.
Okay.
Hey, come.
Hey, watch your step. Watch your step. Come. Come. Hey, if we found him meant, we should have surely slashed him out. Hey, look those side also. Hey, careful! Hey! Come! Hey, come on!
Hey,
go
come
get
on,
them!
come on.
Go get them soon!
Look, there they are.
Go!
Come on,
Go.
let's go.
Get them!
Get them, come on. Come
Go,
quick,
go,
come
go.
quick. Over there, come on.
Go! Hey! Come.
There they are, come on.
Hey, go get them soon. Don't leave.
Yes, sir.
Come. Hey! Magar, run fast! Hey!
Leave me!
Okay, come.
Get them.
Hey!
Leave him! Leave him! Come, Cutter!
Come! Hey, go get them! Okay. Hey! Hey, stop! Hey! 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 Hey, go away!
Please!
Just a low-class fellow. He wants our daughters, huh?
Please!
I don't believe you, man. You are the reason. We're the one who pampered you a lot, but you're throwing us away, huh? Hey! Hey!
Come.
I don't leave you wherever you go. Hey!
Legs are paining.
Adjust for sometimes.
I'm feeling thirsty. My throat is blocked up.
See, there is a village nearby. Adjust for sometimes. We'll get water there.
Okay.
Come.
Kadir, I can't do this anymore.
Please, Maha. We're almost there. Come. Maga, there is a well over there. Come.
We'll sit here.
Sit.
are these people looking new to this place?
We came out of house without even thinking. We don't know what we're gonna do.
They are sitting here from the morning, looking like they are still young. It's getting late also. Let us go and inquire about them. Who are you guys? For whom you came here? From the morning you are sitting here. You left your place and came here? Please tell me. I'm asking you only.
She's in a trap now. We should not leave her. Go get her. Go get her. I'll show you, uncle, who I am. Hey, stop! Come, quick, come!
Hey, come quick.
We should not leave her at any cost today.
Hey. Bro,
Come
Don't
guys,
leave her.
come faster.
Hello? Huh? Where are you, buddy? Okay, I'm on my way. Okay, buddy. I'll be there. Hey! Who are you, girl? What happened?
They're chasing me. Please save me.
Okay, don't be scared. Come with me.
Shit!
bro, we lost her.
She should be here only. Go search her. Hey, Kumar, go that side. Hey, you go that side. Go,
Okay,
go.
bro.
Come here.
Hey! You run so fast like a horse. I know you're here somewhere. I'll come.
Hey! Shh! Shh! What happened? Hey, come
Hey,
on,
there. Go get her. Go get them. Go. Get there.
Hey!
You are trying to escape from me, huh? We are chasing you for past 1 hour. What drama you're showing, huh? Who are you? Are you her boyfriend? Where did you come from? So you're involved in this romance also. We are going to destroy you now.
Hey,
Him
leave me, guys.
also.
Leave me alone. Who the hell are you? I was just trying to help the girl and you're holding me, guys. I don't want this headache and all. You guys handle between yourself. Get lost.
Hey, just hit him, I say.
Brother.
Come with me, I say. Come. You need help? Come, I'll help you.
My father knows he would kill you.
I'll show your father and your uncle who I am.
Help! Save
Nobody's going to save you. I'm going to destroy you and your family.
My father would kill you. Who are you guys?
Nobody's going to come and save you. I'm going to destroy you and your family. I'll show you who I am now.
Please save me.
Come, I say.
Hey! Come. Brother,
Hey,
help me!
stop.
Hey,
Don't leave them. Stop. Catch them now. Where are you running?
Hey, auto, come.
Stop.
Come,
Stop
fast.
them.
Hey,
Stop them.
come here. Get in. Brother, go fast. Don't stop.
Don't leave me.
Brother, leave me, brother.
Hold of him.
Leave me.
How did I help her?
Leave me, man.
Who are you,
Hey.
man? Don't leave him now.
Who are those 4 guys? Why are they chasing me? Should I tell Dad? No. He would make a huge issue of it.
What, buddy? Who's thinking about you?
Hey, don't make fun of me, brother. Who's gonna look at me? Just see to your work.
In spite of so many men, a girl easily cheated on us. We should definitely do something to him. I will take my revenge. He will get caught. That day I will show him who I am.
Sir, you know well that my girl is studying college now. That Dora is still behind her after several warnings. So just I wanted to make a note with you.
Brother, you go inquire about it and tell their parents, okay? If he keeps doing this, he'll be chopped into pieces and be thrown into the river. I'll take care, you go.
Thank you.
What happened? Why are you looking so dull?
I have a mild headache, Dad.
It's just a headache. I'll serve hot coffee to you. Drink it and you'll be alright. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Hey, you have headache, huh? Huh?
You stay quiet.
We should not leave her like this. We must look for a bride and make her to marriage.
Okay, dear. Have it.
What happened to her? She looks fine, right? Why do you have to care a lot about her, huh?
My father is kind to me. Why do you care?
You're not a baby to pamper you, okay? You're all matured.
Hey, first thing you do is take her to a doctor.
Why should he take me? Coffee you gave me is enough, Dad.
Hey, where are you taking me, dear?
To get you a groom.
Do he look like him?
Ah.
Or else like him? Why did he do this? Look at my hair still. It's totally damaged.
Hey!
God.
Hey, what is this, man? After so many struggles, I just got your vehicle. You made an accident.
Hey, idiot. What are you looking like?
Hey.
You didn't see a girl earlier?
What are you looking at her?
Look at
Just
him.
go,
How
man.
he's
Go.
looking at us.
Go. Just go.
Sorry, brother. They fell down, right?
Hey, there's no time for sympathy. Get lost. Go,
Hey,
go.
hey,
Go.
stop.
Just move.
Hey, wait, idiot.
Just move,
Stop.
move. Don't
It's him,
stop.
it's him.
Move.
Who are you
Keep
talking
I
about?
said no, it's him.
Don't stop. Just go. Don't turn.
It's him. I said no, he's the one.
What are you saying?
That day I told someone save me. No, he's
Huh?
that guy. He left because of you.
Is it he? Hey, are you searching for this guy for a long time?
Yeah, why?
Oh no. Hey, he'll always keep on playing kabaddi at our place only, right? You
Is
don't
that
know
so?
that? Come, let's go.
Okay.
We'll deal you today.
Go, El
Finish
Fatso.
you off.
See, man.
We'll push you out of the ground. Hey, go, dude, go. All the best.
Come on, you can.
Go. Get him. Yeah, get him. That's it.
You know Rajesh, who is studying third year in our college?
Come on.
Hold his leg.
He is very similar to him, right?
Hey! Say no, Fatso!
Oh, you came here for him only? Okay.
Come, let's go.
Get him.
Hey!
Zaz, don't leave him.
Hey!
Don't leave him.
Catch him. Hold him. Guys, watch out.
Coming for you guys.
Fatso is here. We should not leave him just like that.
Hey, get
Catch
hold
him, catch
of
him.
him. Don't let him go. He's there.
Hey!
Get him. He's there. Got him.
Hold him. Hey, don't leave him.
Very good.
Look how I bought you all out. You silly guys.
Very funny.
Is there anyone left in your team? Hey, send him, man. If you have guts, send him, man. Hey, send
Hey.
him, man.
Here I come,
Come on,
Fatso.
come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. You can.
Don't leave him, man. Come on.
What she is doing here?
Come on.
Cautious. Come on.
wait.
Don't leave him.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, get him, man. Get him.
Don't leave him. Come on.
Kabaddi.
Make a smart move, man. Come on, hold him.
Kabaddi. Most embarrassing.
Hey, what are you looking there? Because of you, he fell down. You want to make him fall down again? Come, let's go. Look at your smile. Enough of seeing him. Come, go.
What happened? Why are you sitting here?
I am coming back from the market. See how hot the sun is now. My hands and legs are aching. That's why I sat down.
What, sister? If you have got Kadir married at the right time, you wouldn't have to do this, right?
All that is not in our hands. When the right time comes, everything will happen. We don't know what God has planned for him.
Okay, sister, come with me. I'll drop you.
No. I will slowly walk and reach my place. You go.
Okay, sister, take care. I will leave.
You carry
okay?
on.
Have you shifted all the coconuts from our grove?
Everything shipped, sir.
Tell me how many coconuts?
3,000
Dad.
numbers.
Dad,
Tell me, dear.
I need to study, Dad. No need of marriage now, Dad. Please, Dad.
Who talked about this?
Mom only told me someone is coming to see me today. Please, Dad. I need to study.
Oh, sure, dear.
Dad, Mom will scold me, Dad.
You don't bother about her. I'll take her.
Hi, my sweet Dad. Thank you.
Hey, come and take bath, man. Hey, come at least take bath now. Hey,
I just took bath last month, man.
hey, buddy, look at him, spiky head.
Bro, Pandi bro, come here, bro.
Tell me, brother, you called me?
Hi, bro. How are you doing?
I'm good, brother. You tell me, how are you?
What, bro? I'm seeing you practicing every day. You've become so thin, bro. Please tell me, what are you running for?
What, brother? You're asking these kind of questions? If I work day and night, then only I'll be able to get a medal in Olympics.
Bro, for the Delhi, you don't have to take train or bus, bro. During spring season, better you stand before the air. It will take you to Olympic ground. You get the medal there and the wind will carry you here, bro.
I must say, your idea is really good. If you get that wind, catch hold of it and give me a call. I'll come and stand here. Okay, brother? I'll see you later. Bye.
I thought of bullying him, but he did the same to me.
What happened, buddy? He made fun of you.
Hey, lizardhead, I'll swear you one day.
Okay, don't feel as if it's new for you.
Come here.
Come, at least
on,
take bath next month. Come.
What, man? All of a sudden you have called?
Yesterday, your daughter was chased by 4 goons.
Ah.
Then a guy saved her and sent in my auto only. It's a good luck your daughter was sent in my auto.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What happened, brother?
Who is strong enough in this town to kidnap my daughter?
What are you saying?
Hey, someone has tried to kidnap Maha. Maha also didn't tell us anything.
Who are you, man? Huh? I'll make you live dead, okay? Brother, some bloody scumbag has tried our daughter to kidnap. Well, they don't have courage to meet us now.
Hey, Mardu, always keep an eye out for Maha. Let's see who is it.
Buddy, did you see I carried 10 people yesterday?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, buddy. Yesterday, while playing kabaddi, Shivaya's girls was looking at you for a long time. Why?
Hey,
Huh?
is it Shiva's daughter? Buddy, I saved her only.
Oh my God. God, please save my body. I only look like a Hulk, but I can't even bear one punch, man.
Hey, I only saved her. Why the hell are you blabbering, man?
Buddy, I don't know where you touched her to save her.
God.
I saw her eyes dripping drops and drops of love, buddy. If his father comes to know about this thing, he'll hang us like a lamb in the slaughterhouse, man. Please leave me. Buddy, his daughter is coming. Please don't speak anything.
You're jammed today. Wait. You'll be glued now.
Hey,
She's coming here. Please don't respond. Please don't respond. Come on. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Hello? Is
Keep
there any
walking.
mechanic
Don't
shop
listen
nearby?
to her. What is it? You're asking for a mechanic shop with this Black Panther. I know about everything. Move.
Hey,
I'll
hey.
dismantle it completely.
What?
Oh God, don't mind that kid. I told that I'll fix it completely.
Buddy, don't do that.
How are you? Come on, buddy. Come and look at my excellence.
But he's doing that brainless moron. Don't know what he's gonna do now.
Where is the engine? I wonder where is it? What kind of vehicle is this? I don't find the engine anywhere. Where is it? Let's try. What is this? Where is the engine? I don't know how to fix this.
Greetings, madam. Madam, greetings. What, brother? From a long time you're trying to fix something in this vehicle? Huh?
It's nothing, bro. Bike has some starting
Is
trouble.
it?
That's why I'm looking into it.
I'll give you an idea. If you follow my idea, the vehicle will start immediately, you see.
What's the idea, bro? Tell me, bro.
Take some petrol. You see the silencer over there? Put some petrol over there. Take some matchbox. If you light it up with the matchbox, engine will light up and the vehicle will start immediately, you see.
Lizardhead has some better idea. Let's try this. Oh, you, that method. I know that already, but I just saved it for the last option. I'll take care.
You take care of it.
Move, please.
It's gonna happen for sure. Why is sucking that like that? It's a new bike, I guess. God save it.
Just look at the magic. I'm gonna start it.
What happened? You did it in a hurry. After pouring petrol, I told you to light up after 10 minutes. See, in a hurry, what have you done to yourself now? See what has happened now, you see? I'll see you later, brother.
You look like a rotten potato, buddy. I told you.
Hey, Lizardhead, I'm gonna spare you someday. Shit, this Lizardhead had made me a fool, man.
Get away!
Ah!
Don't have brain at all. Get lost.
Mommy! Get lost.
Bikes won't start unless you have a key. Look at you idiots.
Okay, Beauty Queen.
Shit. All because of you. I'm gonna kill you, buddy.
Save me, please.
Sir?
Say, looks like you want to tell me something. Say that.
Nothing, sir, nothing.
Tell me, you idiot.
I saw your daughter, sir.
Do you know her only today?
No, sir. I saw her speaking with a guy over there, sir.
What? You saw her with a boy?
Yes, sir.
Where was it?
Sir, I saw them near the dam, sir.
What? Were they hugging each other?
Oh, no, nothing like that, sir.
Then, were they kissing?
No, sir, no, sir.
Hey, there is something wrong with your eyes. Always spreading rumors. It is becoming a career.
Why did she go there?
I'm warning you. Do not talk about this to anybody in this town, okay?
Never, sir, never, sir.
Go. Mind your business. Go.
Sorry, sir.
Bloody fellow. But this fellow doesn't lie. Ottoman also said the same thing that day.
Come on, dude. What? You seem so worried.
Nothing, buddy.
Hey, it's evident in your face. Come on, tell me.
Buddy, that day that girl winked at me, right?
Uh-huh.
My heart is slightly disturbed, buddy. For this, give me some advice, please.
Hey, before I give you advice, they'll completely finish you off, okay? Just concentrate in your studies, okay?
It's my mistake asking you.
Okay, come. Let's have a pool bath and go for a biryani.
Hey, forget that biryani, man. My mom prepared so well.
Oh,
First eat that, then you will say.
Come on, let's go. Buddy, all the leg pieces for me,
Everything
okay?
is for you, buddy. Please come.
Buddy, I'm starving now.
Hey, I told you, right? Mom prepared something special. See?
Hey,
Come, let's eat.
I'm gonna eat everything.
Eat well, Machi. Don't be shy.
Gonna eat everything.
Oh, you've come back, is it?
Mom, come soon. I'm very hungry.
I'm coming. My leg is aching.
Save me, mom. Please save me.
Show your plate.
Be patient, man. Give him, mom. He eats so good.
Here.
Always hungry.
What is this white rice? He told
it's
me
not
something
coming.
else. Okay. There should be fry or something.
Here.
Let's see.
Is it enough for
It's
you?
enough, mom. Enough.
Take it. Mix it
Give me, Mom,
properly.
give me. Take that meat.
Yes, meat will be nice.
Okay, that fried
but what to do?
meat.
Here, take
Oh
it.
my god, where is
Take
the
it.
meat? He's pouring something
Mix
else
it properly. Mix it,
Bloody,
mix it.
I asked you for a biryani, but you're giving me ice biryani. Okay, come. Let's take a pool bath and have some biryani.
Hey, forget the biryani, man. My mom prepared so well. First eat, then say.
At last, I didn't get both of that, man.
Take this.
It's a big
Mom,
chicken piece.
what is this, mom? Only curd rice.
Those people did not pay for my work.
By morning, I gave you money, right?
I don't know what for you have borrowed money. You have to pay a lot of interest, no? That's why I didn't touch that money. Take that onion.
I'm
Bite the
sorry,
chili.
mom. I'm troubling you a lot, right? I don't know when I'm going to keep you happy, mom. Forgive me.
Oh God, I'm happy even now. You're thinking like this, no? That itself is making me happy. Why don't you eat? Hey, darling, you also eat properly. Take the onions.
I'll eat.
Take some
What
more
else
of
to do?
this. It is very good for the
give me.
heat. It's very good
Okay,
for the
okay,
body.
enough, Mom.
Eat properly.
Where did he go? Maybe he would be there. He's not here either. Where did he go? He always does this. He's neither here nor there. Where are you? Hey, you! Hey! Chu! Hey! You deaf! Shoo! He's not hearing too. Che!
Thank God, I just escaped.
Where are you? I'm searching for you since morning. I need to see you right away. Don't you miss me? No matter where you are, I need to see you today.
It's getting too late. Till he didn't come home.
Whom are you talking about?
You already have a great son, right? You'll get angry if I tell anything. Take it.
Brother, don't be like this ever. Our sister's son back from abroad. We can have them engagement very soon.
Hey, there is lot of time. What is the urgency? Huh? First you get married, later she will get automatically married.
Brother, what the rush for me? I'm a man. We can't trust any society girl of this. We just make a decision soon.
Hi, Dad.
Come. Ask her.
Hey, wait. Where are you going? You need to answer for my questions. Tell me, where did you go? What's the time now?
Why are you shouting, Mom? I went to see my friend. Why are you always like this?
Did you see?
In state level, we have our first 3 rank holders. This ceremony is to facilitate EGS college students. This ceremony is for celebrating that. At 3rd place, we have our student Agastya. And the 2nd place is backed by our student Miss Bharati. And the 1st place is secured by D. Kadir. I would like you to give a huge round of applause for our top achiever, D. Kadir. Everybody give a round of applause for him.
Thank you, sir.
I've been searching for him for 2 days. Where is he? Is he with his friends? He should be doing nothing with his friends. Useless fellow.
What is this? I'm hearing a lot of noise. What is happening there?
It's none other than our Kadir. He scored 1st rank in the college.
What? Is that my son? Really?
Yes, sister,
I
yes.
can't believe it at all. Wait for some time. I'll go inside and bring Aarti.
Go and get it faster.
Mani, why are you standing like this? Come, take the Aarti for him. All the bad eyes should go. All the evil eyes should go away from him. Nobody should think bad of him. Go and pour that there. My darling, sweetheart. What are you all standing here and looking at? Go and mind your job. Come inside fast. Otherwise, they'll be so jealous.
I'm the only one thinking about him. He made me stupid by thinking about him. What? Kadir's back to native? Hey Meenu, thanks!
Look here. Why don't you keep it in front of God's photo and worship?
Okay, Mom.
Pray properly, okay?
God protect us all. Mom, bless me, Mom.
You should be very happy. You all wait for some time. I'll cook rice immediately.
Mom, you're giving us every day. Today we'll take Kadir for our treat. Buddy, come buddy, let's go.
Come
Just
with
for
us.
one day, Mom,
It's time to
please.
celebrate.
Oh, come on, buddy.
Come soon,
Come on,
I'll
come
come
on,
back.
come on. Let's go.
I'll come soon, Mom.
Sure, Mom.
Yeah, we'll come.
Come on.
Buddy, Mom is really happy because I got gold medal. I wish I can get the work as soon as possible so I can take care of her.
Yo, buddy, Kadir,
Huh?
I'm so proud to tell you are my friend, man. I'm just dancing like anything.
Hey, come on, buddy.
Oh, God. What, bro? Came like a thunder. You just scared me, you know.
What, brother? People around this town are talking that you were roaming around with a medal? What's the scene?
He's making fun of me.
Pandi, bro, just leave this place. Just respecting your mustache. My buddy earned a gold medal. Does it look like Ayyappan dollar? He scored first mark in his college for that gold medal. But look at you, for each and every festival, you chase elementary school boys and just getting pencil box and something else. How will you know the value of gold medal?
What, brother? You're telling me all these things? My father ran after I was born. He's there standing in the Delhi ground. He told he will return with the gold medal. He has not returned until now. You know that, right?
Don't I know about your father?
Exactly, buddy.
He didn't run for the Olympic. He ran with a girl next to your house. You look like a zero, but talking like a hero.
Ah.
Just get lost.
Now
Listen
he
here.
also
lost.
knows that. It's okay. I'll try to manage.
What and all you told me?
What do you know about zero? There's no value for a note without the zero. You know that, right? Okay. You move from my way now.
Don't mind that idiot,
He's
buddy.
very
Come on,
big
let's go.
competition than you.
Hey,
Huh?
that girl Maha, right? She's looking for you all over the village, buddy. If she gets you somewhere, she's gonna tear you off, buddy. Buddy, you have just put your hands in a wasp house. No matter where you run or where you hide.
Why,
it's
buddy?
definitely gonna sting you someday.
Hey,
Be careful.
Nothing like that.
Oh my god, think of the devil, and there she is. Buddy, I'm out of the game.
Hey!
Leave me. I'm leaving. Run. The ghost is behind you. I'm leaving this place. Run.
What she's doing?
Where were
Hey!
you?
Hey!
Where were you?
Hey!
Tell me.
Don't be. Are you mad?
What were you thinking? I'm mad at you.
Hey!
You leave without informing
Don't
me.
hit me! Hey!
You
Hey!
make
Don't
me
do that! It's raining! It's raining! Hey!
See, what can I
Hey! Hey! Drop! Hey! Don't leave me! Hey! Leave me down! Leave me down! Hey! Leave me! Hey!
This is Lada Muni. This is Sannyasi Muni. Jada Muni. He's Palakattu Muni. He's Muttu Muni. Sem Muni. He's top to all of them. He's the only one. Val Muni. He's the family deity for us. Pray to him.
God Munishwara, please
We
save
believe
us
in
from
you.
everything.
You
You should
need to
protect
take
us
care
from
of
every
us.
problems.
It's in your hands. Either we live or die. Come, let's go.
Hey, stop! Hey! Hey, stop! Don't run! Hey, you stop, idiot! Hey! Hey, oh, catch him! Hey! Hey, don't leave them, okay? Hey, don't smile! Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Hey, hey, stop! Catch them! Catch them! Climb fast! Hey, don't leave him! Hey, stop! Come on! Hey, hey, don't run! Hey, don't leave him! Hey, chase him! Hey, don't run, man! Hey, don't leave him! Hey!
Hey!
Hey, those people know me. Come inside.
You know the guys?
Here.
Okay.
Come, let's go.
You're roaming around without knowing about your father? Wait and see.
You know, right? Did you see what happened to guys who chased me? But you plan to marry me. I don't know what will happen to you. Hey!
Huh?
What, you got scared? I'm there, no? I would die to save your life. Come, let's go.
Sir,
Say,
that Sangam mode, Tayamma's son is roaming around with your daughter.
what are you blabbering?
Yes, sir. They came in my auto only today.
Hey, Marde,
Yes, brother!
come!
Hey, come on. What happened, brother?
Hey, this Sengimedu Tayama's son, no. He's loitering with our Maha. Ottoman Kanan just phoned.
What? With that wastrel? He's just a bloody scumbag. He wants our daughter. Hey, start now. We should not leave him alive today.
Hey, stop. If you cut him to pieces, what will happen? I have a daughter. Hey, fix up a marriage date with my sister's son.
I made you fool today. You don't have guts to kiss me directly. But will you kiss me in the dream? Che, you won't give me. He's so frightened. Poda. You made it. Where do you get all these guts? Love you.
Love you too.
How could that wastrel do like this to me? You think? You want our daughter, huh? I don't leave you. We must take care of all things. We should not tell to brother. I will spare you out, man.
Mom, you just go home. I'll come.
Hey,
I'll
what
come.
is
You
happening
go.
here? Tell me now.
You go home.
Hey, get
Mom,
him.
you go home, Mom.
Hey,
Mom,
what
you go home.
Hey.
Hey, Kadir.
Mom, I'll come, Mom.
Wait, don't
Hey,
run.
don't run.
Kadir,
I said,
tell me.
get him. Come on.
They're chasing my son. I don't know what
Hey.
is happening.
Hey,
Ayu.
Hey, catch him up. Hold him. Hey, don't run.
Ayu, you all will not live happily. Your family will not happily.
Hey, hold him, man. Just hold him. Hey.
Dear Mallika, Kavita, come. They're chasing my son.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop right there! Hey, don't run! I'll make you dead, okay? Don't run! Hey, we gotta get you from
Hey,
there.
don't run. Stop.
You gotta escape. We got him, bro. Now you logged, man. I spared you out. You want our daughter?
Did anybody see my son Kadir? I don't know where he went. Hey, stop it! Why are you hitting? Huh? Why are you hitting my son? What did he do? Tell me.
You know what he did? No one can touch my house gate like your son, you know?
You
But
keep
he
quiet.
wants my daughter, huh? Hey, old lady. You know about me well, huh? This is what you grow your son.
Huh?
You just beg for food, but you want our daughter. Hey, give me that.
Hey,
Oh, is he calling? Yes, brother. I have him in front of me. I'm
you
going
keep
to
quiet.
kill
I'll talk to him.
Brother. Okay. I'm leaving you
chop
guys
if you
because
can.
our daughter accepted the marriage proposal, okay? Otherwise, I
Hey,
would have killed him here.
don't try to threaten us, okay?
Hey, get lost.
Two.
Hey, come on.
You don't know to bring up your daughter, but you're coming and threatening us. Hey! Hey! You didn't find a better girl? So many girls in this village like you. Why should you go and choose that murderous
like it,
daughter? If anything happens to you, you cannot see this mother alive.
Mom, nothing will happen, Mom.
Those fellows may do what they say.
Nothing to
Did
worry,
I
Mom.
give
I'm
birth
all
to you
right.
for that?
You come, let's go home.
For them to come and kill you.
Mom.
They won't live properly.
This guy used to be afraid just standing in front of us.
Hey, love has more power than anything. We shouldn't be like careless, okay?
Maha? 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 Get up. What happened? Why are you crying now?
I don't need this marriage, Mom. I want to marry Kadiresan, Mom.
Don't you know about your dad? How can you talk like this?
Mom, I know you love me. He's loving me as much as you do, Mom. He loved me like anything. I can't live without him, Mom. Please.
You should not talk like this, Ma.
Mom, please give me poison, Mom. I can't live.
Don't talk like that. You should
I
be
would
safe
die
and
in
happy.
your lap,
Shut
Mom.
up. Don't talk
Please.
like that.
Please, Mom.
Hey, he's here only.
Kadir? Hey, buddy. What, buddy? Maha's uncle came to beat you. Why you didn't tell me?
Why? What will he do if he tells you?
Hey, I'm utter upset now. My buddy is upset too. I have to get drink now or I have to spare him
Just
today.
don't keep blabbering anything.
Buddy, let's have a drink. Come on. Come on, man. Come on.
Hey,
Hey, I'm not
let
coming,
us
man.
And beat him.
Hey,
I'm
hey,
telling you,
come on,
right? I'm
just
not
come
coming.
on. You'll feel good.
Hey, I'm not
Come
coming,
on,
man.
Come on, come
Hey,
on.
leave
Let's
me.
try this.
Come
Come
with
on.
us,
Leave me,
man.
We are
man.
not
Come.
leaving him today. Come on.
There are so much servants. Why are you annoying me?
Hey, I'm going to the bridegroom's house. Take care of her. Maha, come dear. Do you have any grudges against me? Whatever you asked for so far, I have brought it to you for you, right? Now look. If you think you can do something without my knowledge, I'll pour petrol on you and burn to ashes.
No one is understanding me. I lied only to save his life. Now we can't get together, I think so. I know my dad won't allow this. Please, God, I don't know what to do. Solution to all these problems, I need to get away and get married to him. Then he can't do anything about it.
What is she thinking right now? Already her father warned her. Let's see what is going to happen.
I'm his daughter, no. He can't do anything about it. Kadir? Kadir? Kadir?
Hey, why you came here? First, leave this place. Already your uncle tried to kill me. If he come to know this, he'll kill me for sure. Go home.
Let him kill. Let him kill me too. I have decided. Come, let's go elope. Or
Hey.
else we'll die here. I won't leave you. Come, let's go.
Hey, please try to understand. You marry the guy as per your parents' wish. My mother is my responsibility. I cannot leave her just like that and come with you.
So this is your decision? You won't come? You won't come? I'll wait for you in the same place when we first met together. If you don't come, I'll die for sure.
Hey.
I'm not kidding. I'm definitely not kidding.
Maha! Maha!
My God.
I'll die for sure. I'm not kidding. I'm definitely not kidding. I'll wait for you in the same place when we first met together. If you don't come, I'll die for sure. I'll die for sure. I'm not kidding. I'm definitely not kidding.
My mom is taking care of me in all the trouble. Cheh, how can I leave her and go?
I'm not kidding. I'm definitely not kidding.
My dear Kadir,
Mom?
I can understand what you feel. That girl likes you very much. But her father and uncle are dangerous. They may chop you into pieces. But for that, can we leave that girl like that itself and come? What if that girl tries to do something very bad? Listen, you both run away from this during the night time itself.
How can I leave you like this and go with her, Mom?
Ayyo, don't bother about me now. I have lived my life. You escape from here. Your father will be there for you. Don't come back. Don't come till I ask you to. Okay? You can come back after everything settles down. Okay? You come later. Leave now. Don't bother about your mother.
Maha? Maha? Oh no, where is this girl went? She's not here also. What to do now? What can I answer to her dad? Oh God, where is she? Maha? Maha? Oh no, he already arrived. I don't know what to tell now.
Hey, are you alright?
Maha?
Maha?
Maha left her home and went away.
What are you saying?
Please excuse me.
Hey, can't you take care of a girl child at home? What the hell were you doing? Huh? You are a bloody useless lady.
Oh no. How can those people can do with you guys? Okay, I'll give you food now. You please feed her and you also take. I have some work. I'll go and come. Okay?
Okay.
My health also not cooperating me. Don't know what to do. What? What are you looking? There is no one in the house. For God's sake, do something.
What should I do now?
You won't do. Then I'll do. You're strapped nicely.
Hey.
Hey, go look by this way.
Okay, okay.
Sure,
You
bro.
guys go this way.
Yes, bro.
Okay, we'll see, brother.
Hey. Hey. Shit. Search them everywhere.
Oh no.
Hey!
Oh no.
Hey, they're not here. Search them somewhere.
Oh no, these rude people has come. Oh brother, those
What happened,
rowdies come here also now. They have already arrived. Come, escape. Come, let's go. I don't know how to save you people. Oh my god, how to do now?
What can we do now?
Come, run. Come here. Come. Let's go. Go.
Go in.
Go inside. Get inside. Oh God, please save these kids.
Did anybody come
No
here?
one has come here. Hey, why are you opening it now? Hey, if you open it now, my hands will go out.
Hey, bro is calling. Come on.
Huh?
Thank God.
Bro, we searched them everywhere. They are not here.
Where did they go?
We searched them everywhere, bro. They are not here.
You're such a useless.
Hey, who are you? Coming into my colony and creating ruckus?
Hey!
Hey! Where are you shouting? Even if you cross my business, I'll leave you. But if you try to do anything to my colony, I'll cut you and put you to dry. Don't turn back, return, go!
Hey, come on, man.
Hey,
Come
who
on.
are you?
Who are they? Come on. Bro,
Where
let's
did you
go.
come
What's
from?
the problem? Come here.
Seems
Making
like
something. Come
everyone
on.
is
Who
Come
are you?
here. Come on, let's go.
Look at my power. They will slice you to pieces.
Please, bro,
Hey,
let's go, bro.
don't bloody
Let's leave
stand.
here.
Go,
Please,
leave.
let's leave here. Come on. Please, bro. Get into the car. Please, get in. Is this his place? That idiot.
Hey!
Hey, why are you doing this? Hey, what are you doing?
Hey,
Why? Leave
where
my
is your
name.
son?
Don't
Huh?
don't do this.
Hey,
Take your
come
hands
on.
from me.
Hey,
Leave.
come on. Hey! 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 You don't tell anything, right?
Take your hands.
I know how do I bring him. Look! Hey!
Somebody come and help
Hey.
me. Leave me.
Get inside.
Yay! Leave me.
Hey! Go! Go! Start the car!
Please help me. Help
Since
me.
Kadir left, I can't go out, man. His rowdies are everywhere searching for us. Hey, look at this lizard head. Hey. What, Pandyana? Playing some new games every day.
This is a new type of exercise I just discovered.
What's this, Pandy, bro? Playing like a little kid.
What, brother? You're asking these type of questions. Do you know John Cena? John Cena is my partner. John Cena was hit by Randy. I'm doing this exercise to take a revenge on Randy.
For that, this tire is not enough, bro. You have to train with a lorry tire. Then only you'll become like a Hulk like me.
Size doesn't really matter, brother. Have you seen Bruce Lee? Have you seen him fight someone? That is how I fight and punch also. Leave that, brother. People in this town are furiously searching for you. If you get caught, you cannot imagine what they will do to
What
you.
did you tell? With a single packet of chili powder, my dad has made that entire village run. Huh? Ask them to come there.
Kartakutti, I think it's time to use your chili powder now. Just look at there.
What's he blabbering? Bro, please save me, bro. Please
run,
save
run,
me.
run
Don't tell about
faster.
me.
Hey, come. Get hold of him.
Oh God.
He's there.
These guys are here. Kartakutti, you're so done today.
Where is he? Where is Kartakutti? He's in your team, right?
What is he doing?
Just tell me. See, he's going there. You see?
Oh my God! Oh no, I'm not
He's
here.
there. He's
Oh
there.
God.
He's not caught.
Oh,
Just
God.
let him.
Please
Put
save
him on the
me.
car. Put him
Please
on the
save me.
car. Don't let him go.
Hey,
Don't
you
let him go.
lizard
Go. Take the car.
Driver.
Hey,
Let's
go.
go.
Let's go.
Faster.
Take the car.
Guys,
Take the car.
me.
My knees are so paining. Why this call now? Dear, you both have food? Okay,
You tell me.
I already spoke to the temple people. You both are going to get married tomorrow. Okay? You please don't get tensed. Be happy, okay?
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
I'll go and get silk saree and Mangal Sutra, okay?
Madam, give me your phone. I'll just make a call to mom.
Okay, take it. You want to talk
Yes,
to Amma,
ma'am.
right? You please talk.
Hello?
Who is it?
Uncle, it's me, Kadir.
Hey, Kadir, where are you? Hey, that Marudu taken your mother and your friends by force.
Uncle, what are you saying?
Yes. How are you?
Uncle, I'm fine, Uncle. How is mom?
I don't know. You first come here, no?
I'll come, Uncle.
Don't delay. Start immediately.
I'll start immediately, Uncle.
But always be careful.
Sure, Uncle.
Hey, what happened?
What happened?
Hey,
Is there
what
anything happened?
Kadir?
Your uncle took away my mom and my friends and beating everyone.
Oh no, how
God.
rude they are.
Oh God.
Madam, we are starting now. You please do not mistake us.
Please forgive us.
Madam, we'll take a leave.
We didn't expect this.
I thought you are like my own kids. You took a very drastic decision now. I am very much worried about you now. What should I do?
Madam, for 2 of us, he will kill 10 people over there. We have to leave. Please forgive us. Bless us, madam.
We will definitely
Okay.
meet you.
Please, you both be safe.
We will
Take
take
care of
leave.
him, okay?
See you, madam.
Hey, where is she? Huh? Tell me now. Hey, tell me. Hey, where is she? Where are you hiding her? Huh?
I don't know.
Tell me.
I don't know.
Hey.
I don't know. I
Tell
don't
me.
know.
Hey.
I don't know. I don't know.
Hey, tell me. I said. Hey,
I don't know.
where are they? Huh?
I don't know.
What? You decided to die?
Yes, Maha.
Come with me.
No, Maha. You go. You don't worry about me.
Are you coming with me or not?
Hey! Go to your house. Everything is because of you. Sorry, Maha. Maga, sorry, Maha. Maha, please listen to me. Go, Maha. Maha, go, Maha.
I won't leave you.
Okay, bro. Sir, Maha and Kadir, they entered the village.
Hey, just tell them, brother. I'll kill them right here itself.
Oh my god, is it paining bad?
Leave it, Maha. The pain your father is giving us. This is much better than that.
happened? What
Hey,
happened?
come on,
What
hey, come
happened?
on. Hey,
Let's
did
go
you
see,
that?
see, see.
Hey,
What
something is
happened?
burning there.
Why there's
Come on,
fire
come
so
on.
much?
Hey, come
Oh, what
fast,
happened
man.
now? Oh my
Hey,
God.
let's let them
What
out.
happened?
What's happening?
What happened
There's
to
so
them?
much fire. Who is there inside?
What
Come.
What
Oh
happened
God.
to them? What happened?
Why did they do this?
Oh my God.
Come fast.
What's happened?
Let's go and
Oh,
see.
what happened? Oh my God. Oh
My
my
God.
Oh God.
What
God
happened? What
save
happened?
them.
What has
What is
happened?
this? This is
See,
horrible.
it's burning.
Who did this?
Oh God. The whole lot is burning. What happened to my son?
What happened? What happened to my guy?
Kadir.
What happened to him?
Ayo, Kadir. My son. See here, my son. Look at my son. Oh God, why did you do this to me? Kadir, come back, Kadir. My son. Kadir, my son. Look at my son, Kadir. Why did this happen to me? He has left me and gone. Kadir. Come back, Kadir. Why did you leave me and go, Kadir? Kadir. Kadir. Did I bear this son to see him in this state? Did I carry him to see like this? Whoever is responsible for this will become ashes. Kadir. Kadir. Look at my son. My daughter, what can I do now? Look at my daughter. Cry properly. Cry. How can I do that to her? My daughter, Cry nicely. Cry. Cry. Hey, leave me. It's paining, right? Shout. Cry properly. Cry. Yay, you idiot. You have burnt the youngsters, no? Are you happy now? Huh? I'm asking if you're happy. Tell me. Huh? Do you know how much I struggle to bring up my son? I'm also a mother like you know. Can't you understand my feelings? How much I struggle. How can I do this to her? Dave! Bloody fool! Hey! Give my son back! Give my son back! How much you chased my son? Huh? Hey! Tell me! Hey! Tell me now! Huh? Tell me! Why are you staring at me? Tell me now! You have burnt my son, no? Yay! Tell me! Huh? Say, where your girl is here. Say, take her if you can. Hey! Take her if you can. Take her. You all waited to see these ashes only, right? My darling Kadir. My darling. My sweetheart.
Love don't live in the place where humans live. Love will always remain in God's eternity. Is there is no one to punish them. Yes, there is someone. That's God.